Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by grounding yourself and collecting the essential tools. pH 00, tri-wing 1. 5 mm pry and tweezers make this precise. Once done, power off the console and slide off the strap, then remove the 4 rear screws, keep them sorted by hole. You'll pry the rear shell open at the seam with a steady, even motion. This avoids snapping tabs. Make sure small clips are visible before lifting so you won't yank ribbon cables unintentionally. After exposing internals, peel shielding tape and identify the ribbon cable orientations. You must lift ZIF connectors gently to prevent damage. Then remove internal screws holding the PCB and unclip the joystick assembly. This is delicate, so use tweezers and light force. Once the board is free, transfer any rubber pads, springs, and tactile buttons into the new shell, making sure the flex cables route the same way. Take a moment to compare both shells so you don't miss a tiny part. Seat the PCB in the new shell carefully, then reseat each flex cable until the ZIF locks click. Screw posts should be snug but not over-torqued. Once assembled, refasten the rear shell and reinstall the 4 screws, then slide the strap back on and power up the switch to test every input: sticks, buttons, and rails. If you encounter stick drift or unresponsive buttons, power down, reseat the ribbons, and clean the contacts with a little isopropyl. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.